food in France. A macaron is a wet meringue-based confection made with egg, sugar, almonds, and food coloring. A baguette is a long, thin loaf of French bread. This is commonly made from basic lean dough. Duck confit is a French dish made with the whole duck. A croissant is a puff pastry with a crust shape. It's a made of layered yeast leavened dough. Stick fries is a very common and popular dish consisting of steak and French fries. Jambon beurre is a French type and ham sandwich. The bread may butter or toast. A crepe is a type of very thin pancake usually made from wet flour. A Paris Brest is a French dessert made chocolate pastry and a barley blonde cream. Raw milk is a milk that's not been pasteurized.